Hello, welcome to another LeetCode video. Today we're doing middle of a linked list, which is an easy problem. And it says, given the head of a string, given the head of a single linked list, return the middle of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. So right now, there's a strategy that we can use. And I feel like that's the kind of thing you have to know to solve this problem. You automatically need to know the strategy. And so right now, there's a strategy called the two-pointer strategy. And we can use this strategy to find the middle of the linked list. So you have a fast and slow pointer, and you increment the fast by 2, and you increment the slow by 1. And when the fast is equal to null, you know that you have reached the middle of the linked list. So let's head over to the whiteboard and go through this problem. So we have the linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so we're looking for the middle, which is 3. This is the answer. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a pointer fast, which is gonna start at the first node, and pointer slow that's gonna also start at the first node. And so we're gonna have first, so what I said, we increment the fast by 1 and the slow by 2. So the green is fast and the red is slow. So we're gonna do that. So through the first iteration, we're gonna increment the fast by 1. So fast by 2 actually. So we're gonna say 1, 2. And now we're gonna iterate the slow by 1, so we'll say 1 and it's pointing to 2. And so we go to the next iteration because fast is not equal to null. We'll have our answer, the slow pointer will be pointing to the correct node when fast is equal to null. Fast.next is equal to null. So now on the second, let's increment 1, 2. And now we're gonna increment 1, increment this 1, and notice we're on the next. And so since fast.next doesn't exist, we know we're at our correct answer, which is 3. And so that's basically how you do it. So you increment each pointer to while a fast.next exists. So we're never gonna go out of bounds. So let's head over to the coding. And so let's say we're gonna have two pointers, and they're both gonna initially start at the head. So we say slow equals head, fast equals the head node. And so while fast exists, and so while not equal to null, and while fast.next exists, we're gonna increment slow by 1, so we get slow equals slow.next, and fast equals, we're incrementing this one by 2, which is fast.next. And so when we get out of this, we'll know the slow pointer will be pointing to the answer we want. So let's just return slow. And so let's test it. Slow equals slow.next. Slow.next. Let's see. Oh, I think I hear fast.next. I had an error. See, we got the right answer. Let's submit it. And let's go through the example. We got all test cases back. So let's go through the example again. So we have fast and slow. So let's put these back. So slow. And we're gonna increment these to while fast.next exists. So there's always gonna be a node after the fast pointer. And if there's not a node, we break out of the loop. So we increment this 2, 1, 2. Then we increment this 1, 1. Then we increment this 2, 1, 2, and we increment this 1. And so we see fast.next doesn't exist. So we go out of the loop, and slow should be pointing to the correct node. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned for more LeetCode problems and other coding videos.